Hello everyone, welcome to ExcelWeb. In this video, I will show you how to calculate a percentage increase in Excel. So let's start it. First, open your Excel worksheet. Then select the cell where you want to display the calculated percent increase. Percent increase shows how much the previous value has increased or decreased. Now we are going to subtract the previous month from the current month and then divided that by previous month. Type an equal sign, then open parenthesis. Select new value, then put a minus sign and old value. Now close the parenthesis and divide it by old value. Press enter and select percentage from the number group. There you have it. Now just drag and drop to find other values. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.